Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming iPad OS is current and your Apple ID is active. This enables Memoji syncing. Once ready, open Messages or FaceTime and tap the Memoji/Animoji icon to begin. Don't waste time in settings yet. Tap plus new Memoji to create. Choose the skin tone and base facial shape first because these set proportions. You'll refine features later. Make these initial choices deliberately, since changing base options later is slower than tweaking hair or accessories. Once you've set the base, focus on the middle details that make the Memoji recognizably yours. You'll adjust facial structure using sliders for jaw and cheekbone depth, then pick eyes, brows, nose, and mouth shapes. Small slider tweaks change expression nuance. Add facial hair, makeup, or scars to communicate character quickly. After features, choose hair, headwear, and glasses. Make sure symmetry is on for balance changes, and use micro-adjust sliders to avoid cartoonish extremes. You're almost done. Save the Memoji and enable sticker packs for keyboard use. Then test it in Messages and FaceTime. You can also record video in camera using the Memoji overlay. If you want a variant, duplicate and edit rather than starting over. Finally, if facial tracking or stickers misbehave, first update iPad OS, then restart the iPad. If issues persist, reset Face ID or camera privacy settings to restore the true depth feed. This fixes most tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.